Before coming to Coleg Llanrihlo, I didn't think there was much out there for me. College completely changed my perception of education. I got a lot of support of my tutors and found the relaxed but hard-working attitude really refreshing. My time in college was challenging and unforgettable. I was offered new opportunities to do with volunteer work and academic competitions alongside my course. One of the things I'm proudest of having achieved at college is having led a team to the national session of the European Youth Parliament this year. I also took part in a public speaking competition, which really boosted my confidence, and my tutor was so helpful to our team. It was opportunities such as this that got me interested in politics and the world around me. I'm now going on to study international politics at Brunel University in London. College can be a lot of hard work at times, but the supportive environment and the prospects it presents really makes it worth it. At college you can share a laugh with a tutor, as well as them helping you with a piece of work. It's a completely different attitude to places such as school, and it really helped me flourish.